Hey guys, welcome to How to Internet. In this video I will explain you how to use the Runaway Aurora filter effect on Instagram. It is very easy, so let's start. First, open the Instagram app. When you are on your timeline, swipe to the right. You are now on the camera page. Swipe all the filters to the left. Press the search and find icon. Here you can browse all the available Instagram filters. Press on the top right on search. Search for Runaway Aurora and select the Runaway Aurora filter. Press the white button on the bottom left to use the filter. Hold down the record button to start filming. Make sure to hear the music, you press the speaker icon at the top. Make sure you use a flat background in the back of your topic for the best effect. After recording, you can share it to your story or you can save it. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Subscribe on our YouTube channel for more videos and let us in the comments know what you want to see next.